Hey guys, this is North back again with another video. Today's video, I'm coming to you with a comparison video. Now I'm going to talk about another summer scent, and this one is from the house of Hermès, and I'm going to do a comparison between Eau de Pamplemousse Rose, and which is a eau de toilette, a cologne concentration, and the Concentree Pamplemousse Rose. So I have a tester of the Eau de Pamplemousse Rose. I have a tester of this one, and unfortunately I bought this one first, and then later on I found the Concentree. I almost was going to buy it online, but I found it at one of the shops here, and I was able to pick it up for the same price that I got this, the 100 ml for. So I'm just going to see what the differences are. Both of them were perfumed by Jean-Claude Elena, which was the in-house perfumer for Hermès for a number of years. I'm not sure how many, but now a woman has taken over the helm of it. I do have one of her most recent additions to this cologne line. Now the eau de cologne, which is called Eau de Pamplemousse Rose, this one was released in 2009. The notes listed on it are grapefruit, rose, and orange. So only 3 notes listed on it. And again, it's the eau de cologne concentration. This is my second bottle of this, so that's why I didn't hesitate to go ahead and pick up another tester bottle of it. And I wanted to get a concentrate of the I wanted a 200 ml of this, but they didn't have one of these locally. And let's see what the notes are on the concentrate. See what the notes are on the concentrate. So again, the eau de cologne was released in 2009. This one has grapefruit, orange, and rose. And then the concentrate, which is an eau de toilette, this one was actually released in 2011, and it has a little bit of different notes. This one has grapefruit, rose, and vetiver. So this will be an unboxing. I'm going to be smelling it for the first time. I've never smelled the concentrate. So again, this is what the presentation looks like. Comes with the sleeve. Okay, so I'll take the sleeve off and sit snugly inside. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. And my biggest wonder was whether or not I would be able to tell the difference between the two bottles besides the name. And it looks like the Concentrate, the eau de cologne, this one is frosted, whereas the eau de cologne is transparent. And I did actually go to one of the malls today to I went into the Hermès shop. I also went into Harvey Nichols. Neither of them had the concentrate. And again, this is my second bottle of this, so I'll spray this one, spray the eau de cologne and the eau de toilette, and see what the difference is. This is the eau de toilette. I'm happy that I found this one for such a steal. I didn't have to order it online because I was determined to get it because I love this scent. The openings are different straight off the bat. The eau de cologne comes with a brighter grapefruit smell. It opens up with that brighter grapefruit smell. The eau de toilette, the concentrate, you get that vetiver with it. You do get a lot more of a woody nuance to it. It does have the grapefruit in it, but it is not as pronounced. It doesn't jump out as much as the eau de cologne. Now this is a first impression, so I'm not sure how much longer that this one is going to last, but I'm sure with vetiver in the note breakdown it's going to last a little bit longer. Plus it's a higher concentration of oil. But they're similar, but they are not the same. They're not the same. I'm happy that I have both of them. I'll go through this one pretty quick. I'll probably try to go through this one first. I'll wear it on and off, but I'll try to at least get through the eau de cologne, and then I'll try this concentrate. But I'm happy again that I got it in. I got this, I forget what the retail price on it is, but you can find it on discounters for about $60 or $70. So that was a good deal. That was a good deal. Again, I got these for the same price. I'm upset that I went to a shop and I paid the same price for this as I did for a higher concentration. As they start to dry down, they do smell a little bit more similar, but we'll see in the future how much longer the concentrate lasts as opposed to the eau de cologne. So we'll see, but I just wanted to do this on camera so I can see, we're seeing it for the first time. What are the differences between the two? I don't think I've heard anybody talk about the differences between the two. Some of the Hermès, the cologne lines, do have a concentrate version, which again is an eau de toilette. All of them are eau de colognes, the original ones, but not everyone does. So that's pretty much it. Have you tried Pamplemousse Rose? Which I don't get a lot of rose from it in either of them. You know, it's a light touch to it. Also, I had already owned this one, but then when Joe Malone came out with their Emotions collection, they have Vetiver Pamplemousse. And I remember everybody a lot of people on Fragrantica said that this was a dead ringer for it. They do have some similarities, but this is a much more quality scent. The Zara one is of a lower quality, but it does smell good, and it is an eau de parfum concentration. So if you're looking for something that smells sort of similar in a better budget, then I would check out the Zara Emotions ones. Those scents are in the same wheelhouse, if you would say. But that's pretty much it. Have you tried either of these, the concentrate version of Pamplemousse Rose or the Eau de Rose de Pamplemousse? Please let me know in the comments. What are some of your favorite Hermès eau de cologne versions that are out there? I do want to try I did try the rhubarb one. I may pick up on it if I can find a tester bottle of it. And I do have another one which was the most recent addition to it. I believe it's the purple basil one, but I haven't had a chance to talk about that one yet. I'm still wearing it and tested it. I just wanted to do an unboxing and a first presentation on this concentrate version and compare it with the eau de toilette. Please let me know if you like this one, if you enjoy any of the other ones from the Hermès lines. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.